It's Terry from Normal Gadgets. I hope you guys are having a great day. We're having a great day here at Normal Gadgets. Guess what? If you are looking for a new, gently used laptop, we got them. They're here at our place. Look at this. We have a wide range of computers and laptops that are great for sale. They range from $150 to $175. They have Windows 11 on them. They have Windows 10 on them. It depends. But look at this one. This one's a Dell Latitude. It's a tablet. It's a laptop. Oh my God, it's a tablet. You can do so many things, but guess what? There's more. And did you know that we can get smartphones for you? In fact, we have a few here in store. So if you're looking for a gently used smartphone, perhaps for that child in your family or grandma and grandpa, we've got them. And we can also get it for you. We've got some iPhone SEs, some original SEs and some new SEs, iPhone 11s, iPhone 7s. I can get you an iPhone 12 or 14 if you want. So if you're looking for a laptop or a smartphone, we've got them down here. You don't have to go to the big retailers and get them. You can save money by coming to Normal Gadgets. Hey, we're located at 802 South El Dorado here in beautiful Bloomington. Come on down and see us or call us 309-807-3333. Thanks.